Hey, just want to show you a Mercedes that I painted about a year ago. I do have some before pictures, but I gotta try to find them in my computer. I don't know where exactly I put them. But here's my brother's Mercedes that I painted about a year ago. I did a complete paint job on it. Door jambs, handles. We took the handles off. And we painted, in back of them and everything to get that professional look. The mirrors, we did basically everything on this car, and we put some metal flake in it. I don't know if you could see it, but it's the original color, but we put some silver flake in it. I like to add that silver flake touch to the cars that I do. But it's a 2001 S-Class S500. And it came out really nice. He wanted to put a paint job on it, so I hooked him up as a favor to my brother. So here's just how it looks. He's away right now, so we got it parked at my dad's place. So this is what we're looking at. You could easily do jobs like this. Something like this I'd charge at least $5,500 to $6,500 to do a Mercedes like this. He took the grill out and did everything right. Alright, so again, it's Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. You could paint any of your projects, make it look nice, and save a lot of money, learn a valuable skill, and impress a lot of people. See you soon.